How to make 6 pics to end January Instagram 8 yours story. First, you have to simply open up the Instagram app. Now here at the top you find the plus option. You have to simply tap on this one. Now tap on story, and here at the top you notice that there's a template option. You need to simply tap on this one. So at the top recommendation, as you notice that there is a new post, which one is most trending, 6 pics to end January. You have to simply tap on this one. Now you need to simply upload randomly 6 different pictures from your gallery to make a 6 pics to end January 8 yours Instagram story trend. So I want to just upload randomly 6 pictures from my phone. So as you notice that I have successfully uploaded 6 different pictures from my gallery. Now you have to simply tap on check mark. So as you notice that I have successfully created 6 pics to end January 8 yours story. Now you have to simply tap on your story to share with your Instagram friends. So now I want to go back. So here you notice that I have successfully created 6 pics to end January 8 yours story. So this is pretty simple way to make a 6 pics to end January 8 yours Instagram story by using this method. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.